Last year we started a clover plot in here, and Foxtail came in and took over. So what we did was, before it went to seed, we cut it, let it come back to be 10 inches tall or so, and then sprayed it. And so we have a good burn down. We got some soil exposed. We're probably going to go ahead and drill the seed in. I've got a brassica, chicory, and clover mix to put in here. And then I'll have the landowner pack it down to flatten all this grass. It's all dead. That'll be a really good mulch. So we should get an excellent stand here, and it's just a matter of keeping up with the grass going forward. The main thing with Foxtail is just don't let it go to seed, because there's thousands of seed on every plant.